Hi guys, today we're going to record a funny scene from the movie Cars. In this video, there is a scene where Mater and Lightning McQueen are tractor tipping. So here's the whole scene.
Mater, I'm not doing this.
Oh, come on, you'll love it. Tractor tipping's fun.
This is ridiculous.
All right, listen, when I say go, we go. But don't let Frank catch it. Go!
Who's Frank? Mater! Wait, Mater!
Okay, here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of them and then honk. And they do the rest. Watch this. I swear, tractors is so dumb. I'll tell you what, buddy, it don't get much better than this.
Yep, you're living the dream, Mater boy.
I don't care who you are. That's funny right there. Your turn, bud.
Mater, I can't. I don't even have a horn.
Baby.
I'm not a baby. Fine, stop, okay? All right, I'll do something.